Alright, so coming up with a dilemma, and some of you are already aware of this, but the frame rails aren't exactly parallel or symmetric. So when you measure from the center line, which is right there, it's 13.5 inches to that point. If you look, you can see, I mean, it's hard to tell, but you can easily see that this kind of starts to turn in. If you look back, see how that has an angle from where I put the caster on. So it starts to angle out about an inch. Now this is relatively straight. You can see by the laser light. But then you come over here, this is 12.5 inches against a firewall. And you can clearly see that it's not straight. So what I'm doing is I'm going to make this located on the bottom of the screen the reference, and I'm going to cut it to where it's 12.5. It meets the same distance from the firewall, from the center of the firewall, center line of the car. But I'll go into more detail here in a little bit. I figured I'd do a video, make it more fun. One thing I've also done is, if you look right here, I've cut those out because they're in the middle. Because when I cut, what I'm going to do is cut this edge off, find a new reference line, and tab it down, and then weld this section here back against the tabs and the new reference line, and have additional sheet metal to fill in, actually made up here. Alright, I'm going to do this in two-part video so you don't get bored.